What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Twisted Angle Garage. We are working on the 54 Plymouth Savoy again. We are getting the front suspension done, getting some brake work done on it. We get some mounts built for the rear leaf springs. Just get some of the projects done on it and moving a little bit farther ahead. So make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends about it, and follow along. Here we go. So we got first line made. See how well it fits. After I trim a little bit of that off, that'll fit fine. So we got some parts in today. We got our roll cage in, start of it, main new front down bars. We also got our Belltech front springs and shocks in. Let's open them up and check them out. A hoop for a 77 Vega. It's right on top of the frame. It's perfect.